You went everywhere. Yes, you went to the beach. You got fresh air. And you screamed a little bit.
Not too much.
A little bit. A little bit. You went out to eat. Yes. And you went to the dog park. Oh, did you like that park?
See, I could have rode Brutus, I think.
Couldn't we all?
Tell me about it. Are you...
Oh.
That was good talking.
That was some good talking.